Welcome to Payana Guide. If you're first time to our channel, please subscribe to our channel for travel guides and online booking. In this video, we will see what type of sevas are available during the Aradhana Mahotsava. I will also show how to book seva step by step and receive the receipt. The best thing is you can get prasada to your home. Please watch completely without skipping. The 355th Aradhana Mahotsava of Kali Yuga Kamadhenu Kalparuksha Shree Raghavendra Swamy will be celebrated from 27th August to 2nd September 2026 at Mantralaya Shree Kshetra. If you are not able to go Mantralaya and offer seva during Aradhana Mahotsava of Shree Raghavendra Swamy, don't worry, you can still offer seva during the Aradhana Mahotsava by booking seva online. Type SRS Mata in browser and click on https://srsmata.org as shown in the video. It redirects to home page. If we scroll down the page, then we can see 355th Raya Aradhana Mahotsava Seva section. In that section, there is Book Seva button. Click on Book Seva button. It redirects to one more page. If you scroll down, you can see the list of sevas. Totally there are 8 types of sevas are there. There is one more option is there that is called Aradhana donation. For this, you can offer any amount towards Aradhana Mahotsava sevas. Choose the seva which you want to donate. Here in this video, I am choosing Samuhika Astodaka Sahita Annadana. Click on the book button. Here you need to type everything in English, name, mobile, email. Give proper email ID because you will receive confirmation and seva receipt. Enter city, state, country, gotra, nakshatra. Then enter correct address and pin code because you will get prasada, but it's only within India. After this, click on proceed to payment. Here, along with the price summary, you have multiple payment options like UPI, cards, net banking, wallet. Please note the international cards or bank payments are not accepted at present. So choose whichever option is comfortable and complete the payment. Once the payment is done, if booking is successful, then it allows to download the receipt. Also, you will receive this seva receipt through email and WhatsApp message. If money is debited but confirmation is delayed, use check status. For payment related any technical issues, contact online services at srsmata.org. If prasada is not received even after 3 weeks, you can call the mentioned numbers. For more informative videos like this, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.